Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness. It's super sunny, so in the event I had done this, you probably wouldn't have seen anything, but do this, you might be able to get a little bit better. Basically, it sounds like I need to buy a ND filter for my camera, but we can go through and share some things with you. This is a wonderful package that, due to the wonderful people that priority destroy your mail, this is the condition in which it was shipped to me. So, you know, you can only accept anything, nothing but the best from our people that do this. And one of my brothers sent me this. Let's see to what extent rotation this thing is huge. Alright, I'm not really sure how we're going to break this open. It might seem like as so many people have dropped it. What's one more time? What's one more time for the road? Oh, this is annoying. See all this? This is what you get to deal with when you're doing things by yourself. Hold on. Is this wood? Yeah, that's wood. Get out of the thing. Someone was thinking of me and sent me this, and clearly I can't even open it, so let's not scratch the metal. Yeah. What's the spec? Grinder. Rotation. Seems like it has two metal wheels on it. Yo, what did they wrap this thing for? Like the Armageddon? Yo, this thing is really a tasking right now. Yeah, well, damn. Warning. Looks like heavy duty stuff. I don't even know if it's 110 or 220, but either way, thank my bro, man. Low wattage something or the other. Connected for 120. It's a big boy though. It's a big one. It's gonna last for a while. You gotta love it and respect the people that support you. That's what that looks like. Well, on to why we're here today. Oh. This is back here. And look at the door. And in a few moments it'll all make sense as to why I'm even showing you this. And the filthy door panel that I haven't cleaned off. Alright, that's going on there. Oh, buddy, it's still hot. It's hot in here. And then there's this one. Oh, you know, everybody's wind back up. Doing all the things we're supposed to do. And this thing still works, even though I have my own set of problems with it. This is the door that was on it. As we zoom into this wonderful little bit of perspective here. I don't really want to dig into it, but you know, you see the key going in the hole. Oh, maybe we have a leak on board. And this is actually plastic. I don't really know why this is plastic, but that's a weird plastic thing there. Someone decided to take that off. Coming to the rear passenger on the driver's side. This is dinged. And of course, more holes on the bottom there. So, oh yeah, the chair. I know. Don't judge me. This is just 220,000 miles of my fat ass causes. That's why.
Ryan Little.